Hello students, learn English grammar, direct and indirect speech or direct and indirect narration. What is narration? Act of reporting the words of speaker, or narration is a topic that deals with the study of expressing the idea of the speaker. There are two ways of reporting the speech, direct speech and indirect speech. Then, what is direct speech? When we use the exact words of the speaker, it is called direct speech. The exact words of the speaker are enclosed in double inverted commas. Example, Manu said, I go to which classes? What is indirect speech? When we report the speech in our own words, it is called indirect speech or reported speech. Example, Manu said that he went to which classes. When we convert direct speech to reported speech, the given below rules to be followed. Changes to be made in punctuation marks, reporting verb, tense forms of verbs, personal pronouns, and the last one adverb, adjective and verbs. The first rule to be followed, the punctuation marks. Remove all punctuation mark except full stop. Example, Ravi said, I am hungry. In converting to indirect speech, Ravi said that he was hungry. The second rule to be followed, reporting verbs. Reported verbs indicate the verbs that are seen outside the inverted commas, which denote the body languages of the speaker. The reporting verbs will change depending upon the kind of sentences that it is found inside the inverted commas. Student can observe the chart kinds of sentences, change of the reporting verb, direct speech to indirect speech. The third rule, tense forms of verbs. Changes to be made. All verbs in the present tense will change to corresponding past tense. Example, Tanu said, I am writing a letter. It should be converted into reported speech. Tanu said that she was writing a letter. The second example, Rupa said, I have read this book. We should be converted into reported speech. Rupa said that she had read that book. However, there are certain exceptions. When the sentences refers to a universal truth, the tense remains in the present. It does not change to the past tense. Example, the teacher said, the sun rises in the east. The converted into reported speech, the teacher said that the sun rises in the east. When the sentences refers to a habitual action, the tense remains in the present. It does not change to the past tense. Example, Sean said, Mr. Sharma goes for a walk every morning. The converted reported speech, Sean said that Mr. Sharma goes for a walk every morning. We convert direct speech to indirect speech. Things you should know that concepts, tenses, subject and object, first person, second person and third person. In indirect speech, we can use told with an object. We can't use told if there is no object. Here, the given statement is, Ramesh said, I go to the library today. Ramesh is a subject, said is a reporting verb, comma, then I go to the library is a reported speech and closed with a double inverted commas. Here, the given example is converted into direct speech to reported speech. Ramesh said, I go to the library today. Ramesh said that he went to the library that day. How? Change the personal pronouns, direct speech to reported speech. The given, the following chart is. Fourth rule is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns will change depending on the context of the sentence. Example, I said to my son, I want some water to drink. Reported speech, I told my son that I wanted some water to drink. The second example, Mahesh said to his son, I want you to bring that book here. Reported speech, Mahesh told his son that he wanted his son to bring that book there. Identified the 6 steps involved. The direct speech to reported speech is change of reporting verb, replace with that, change of pronoun, change of tense, and update time specific words. Here, the given example is, she said to me, I am playing football with you now. Here, she is a subject, said to reporting verb, me is an object, I is a first person, you is a second person. The actual words are the present continuous. The change of reporting verb, said to, told, the change with that, and change of pronoun, I instead of she, you instead of me, and change of tense, am playing instead of was playing, change of time words, now instead of then. Change into reported speech is, she told me that she was playing football with me then.